So here's one more thing. You can use technology. You can use technology to save a great deal of time. And I'll tell you what I do when I'm writing using technology. First of all, even though I type really fast, I actually do not type. I spend all day, I'm a physician, I'm all day in clinic typing patient notes, and my fingers need to rest a little bit. So I don't type when I'm doing something at leisure. I'm taking a time to write a biography or help somebody. I dictate. I'm speaking into my cell phone, or I would have shown you. But basically, I get my notes app. I use an iPhone. The notes app, I press the microphone button and I speak into my phone. And it can transcribe as I speak. If you have one of the newer Microsoft Word packages, you can click on the microphone icon and speak into it. That's one way you can use technology to save yourself time. Of course, you have to go back, look at it, and put it all together, make sure that there are no errors. But hey, that saves you time. That saves you finger effort, right? You can sit in your bed 20 minutes before you sleep, hold your phone, get a manual like this, and say, hey, okay, it says today, what was the name of the school I attended and where was it located? You hold your phone and you say, I attended da 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 school in da 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 city. This was from 1953 to 1964. And hey, before you know it, you've answered that section. Speaking is easier for most people, right? Some type fast, but most people can speak faster than they type. So that's one way you can use technology. Another way you can use technology is to schedule this effort. Go to your calendar, put a reminder. 3-4 days a week, memoir writing. Memoir writing, okay? And say 30 minutes, you set a reminder. Technology can assist you to help you remember. This is time to dictate, okay? It's time to dictate, do it a little bit at a time. Use technology, my friend. And when you're done, you can use technology to polish up your work. Things like Grammarly can help you with word, sentence construction, word usage, and so on and so forth, prevent redundancies. I have not switched over into artificial intelligence. I'm somebody who actually derives a lot of joy from creating written work. And so I don't think I'd ever like that. But hey, to each their own. But there's a lot you can do with technology just to make your writing journey easier. And I hope that is helpful, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Dr. Uche. I'm your friendly publisher, biography writing coach, book reviewer, a real-life physician too. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you know when I upload new videos, share with your family and friends. Follow me on this fascinating journey as I talk all about stories on this channel, children's book read aloud sessions, fiction from across the diaspora, and tips to help you on your journey to writing your biography. You take care and I'll see you in my next video.